This is the first look at the brand new Lamborghini, which is supposed to be a replacement for the aging Lamborghini Aventador, which was personally one of my favorites. So this is what it looks like in the different angles. You can configure the car online on their website. I personally think it looks really cool. I'd hope they put out some performance variants of it like they did with, the SVJ, the SV, all that. So it's cool to see where they'll go with this. Like, there's a lot of options available for it. And I definitely hope we get some of these on the street this summer. So you can do like different color calipers. Like you can do gold, which I know will be popular here. You can do like engine grid options, which is actually kind of cool. I don't see many carbon options so far. But maybe as I further go into this. So this is just the first look. So comment what you think of the car below. And subscribe. So some of my first thoughts about the new Lamborghini are, number one, first of all, I can't wait to see it on the streets. Number two, I can't wait to hear them. There's a thing on the website where you can hear the car, but I can't wait to hear it in person, just hear that exhaust system. Wow. Another thing is here where I live in Toronto. A lot of people who have like the SVJ or the Aventador will put like a Gintani exhaust or something crazy on it. And it sounds brutal. I'm hoping whoever buys this new Lamborghini will do like some insane exhaust system like a Gintani or an IPE or something cool. And I really hope that it shoots flames, and I can't wait to see it on the street. That'll just sound like next level. Another thing I'm hoping though is about this car is that there's a lot of cool options. Like I hope people get a good spec, like something unique like Bird Mantis, or a color that truly stands out. Also, I'm hoping there's a lot of aftermarket support for it. So I'm kind of hoping to see like wide body kits like a Liberty Walk, whatever, carbon like lips, carbon parts. I'm hoping to see a lot of that kind of stuff made for it, like so it can become a show car. Because where I live, there's a lot of like Liberty Walk Aventadors like this one I'm going to put here for you guys to see. So I'd hope to see that's like, part of the car community. I hope it becomes like something cool like that. So that's just my opinion about new Lamborghini. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.